Well, yes, of course. I think all industrial gases companies, including us, Nippon Gases, we are very involved in carbon utilization because we create the whole economy, a whole new economy around it. And we have clearly this capacity to combine these with all kind of different gases and create new application and support them with those gases. For example, well, my core of business is green hydrogen, low carbon hydrogen. So combination of carbon as well, CO2 captured carbon with hydrogen is not a mystery to anyone. It can definitely create valuable products, and also I think we should be get more and more involved in new applications. We should be work very closely with research and development, some new technologies that they might not get enough, let's say, attention, or maybe they cannot have the possibility to be proven technically immediately. I think we should work with them and also support them in terms of gas supplies to show that the demonstration could work, and then helping them to pass to the next step, which is industrial scales. Also, there are lots of the most of the CO2 emission actually are coming from combustions. If you want to look at that, it's either in glass or some glass refinery, glass or sorry, metal fabrication, or also in refineries. So all of those processes of combustion also can be combined with, for example, oxygen, which we call oxyfueling, and they can work both on oxygen and hydrogen, and this way we can decarbonize those two. So and also there are lots of new technologies that could actually participate in sinking carbon, which then it would help if you have a process that is based off by biogenic carbon, and then you can be sinking this carbon and use it somewhere else. It means that if regulatory organization they start to look at these processes differently, then the industrial player might get like negative carbon credits for that, and carbon counting for that. So in that case, it release more space for gray CO2 emitted to get involved in more utilization cycles, and this way you can actually delay their emission cycle in this way. So yes, I think we should be, one of the really most important things for us is to be really close to the reality of the market, the reality of the industries, how we are challenging, because theoretically doing CCUS is one thing, doing it in industrial scale is something else, and also at the same time being very close to innovations, because finally that's we could be the link between innovation and industries, because we talk to both of them, and with through the gases that we can provide to simplify their processes, we can make CCUS more practical.